This is my dog, Sweet. He just loves this wiffle ball. If you can see that. No. That's his wiffle ball. He's eating it up pretty good. Want this ball? Go get her. Bring it back. Bring it here. Good boy. Come on, bring it back. That boy. All right. Go get her. Oh well. Come on, Sweet, bring her back. Atta boy. Come on, bring it here. Give it to me. All right. Come on, bring her back. Ready? All right. That's the other mean trick. That goes inside the shoe. In the other shoe. Come on. There we go. Come on. Ready? Ready? Come on. Give me the wiffle. Come on, give me the wiffle. Ready? Give me the wiffle. He's going to lose this wiffle because it's going to go down the shoe. Oh, no. Now, you know, my shoes really stink. Oh, no. Uh-oh, it's in there. Get the wiffle. Where is it? There it is. Oh, that's a dirty trick. Get the wiffle. Come on, get your wiffle. Get the wiffle. Come on, bring me the wiffle. Come on, bring the wiffle. Stuck inside that shoe, and that is a dirty, filthy trick. Everybody bring me the wiffle. Put the wiffle in there. Get the wiffle. Get the wiffle. Oh, that a boy. That a boy. That a boy. That's it. Come on, bring me the wiffle. Come on.
We got the evidence, right?
Ready?
I can't believe it. I know.
You ready? Get the wiffle. Good dog. Ready? Good catch. Come on, bring me the wiffle. Come on. Come on, bring me the wiffle. Hurry up. Can't throw it back unless you bring me the wiffle. Ready?
It's the goal. You boys really did steal this goal, didn't you?
Bring the wiffle. Good dog.
All I want you two to do is get in the front seat of my car and drive it so I can sit back and cup. You've been watching too much TV, and you really want to take movement.
Ready?
Now, I'm serious this time. Get on him. Well, you can't talk horse sense to a jackass. I finally caught the deuce game. I can't wait to see the expression Guaranteed my gold. Since my gold bars are no longer in your safe, and since I must leave for Houston immediately, I am demanding payment. Now,
Come on, Whiff.
right now.
Whiffle.
There's a small girl.
Bring me the Whiffle.
And it's a small
Ready?
bird. And I'm just a small bird.
Good catch. Good catch.
I ain't going.
How much have you got?
Ready?
In cash.
Get back. Back.
I guess. Possibly. Maybe.
Come on. Bring me the Whiffle.
Scrape up. I don't know. About
Sweet.
those two.
Come. Attaboy.
We'll take it as a
All
bad
right.
deal, since you did sign this promissory note.
This old dog needs a new Whiffle. Please send us a Whiffle. We're at Highland Hill Farm on Route 313 in Fountainville, PA. Poor dog needs a new Whiffle. What do you think? Pretty well gone? He loves his Whiffle. Ready, dog? Go get her!
That's really bothering you, isn't it?
No more.
Let's see if we can take it back to it's almost time.
Attaboy.
Now there's no use.
Ready? Get back. Get back. 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 Get back. Get back. Back. Get back. Good catch.
You sure about that, Sheriff?
Bring it here. Bring me the Whiffle. Okay. Good dog. Good sweet. Ready? Good catch. Good catch. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Go get her! All right. Good work. Here we go. Get back. Get back. Get back. Get back. Ready? Good catch. This is Sweep, our mascot here at Highland Hill Farm. He loves to play catch. Come play catch with the old dog. We're on Route 313 in Fountainville, PA. Highland Hill Farm. We sell trees and shrubs. And this is old Sweep. And I got Sweep through a barter. Somebody brought me this dog for a trade. So, he was my best barter deal ever. Go get her! Okay, bring her over here, Sweep. Got a dog. Okay. Here we go. Ready? Go get her! Bring her back. Come on. Ready? Go get her! Good dog. Ready? Bring her back. Go get her! Okay. He's tired out now. Give us a call, 215-651-8329 if you want to play catch with my dog, Sweet.